If you have been struggling on how to place order on Taobao Chinese shopping app for your very first time, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to place your first order on Taobao Chinese shopping app like a pro. Let me show you how. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you or teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, pinduoduo, Alipay, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply place your first order on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Taobao. Then after you open up your Taobao, next thing you need to do is to search for the particular product that you want to order on Taobao Chinese shopping app. And there are so many ways by which you can get that done. One of the first way is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. So what you do right here is to upload the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result as far as image search is concerned. You can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different product that is going to load up, just like so, as you can see right there. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up. However, I'm going to place order for this particular skate shoes right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on the product link. So having click on the product link, it's going to open up like what you see right here. Now here, you can check on the product detail. Simply scroll down right here and check on the products detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see details about the product. So you can see product graphics right here. Okay. Now, once you are satisfied with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to contact the seller on Taobao Chinese shopping app. And for you to contact the seller, simply click on here. And this is going to open up right here. So right here, as you can see, I have already contacted this seller right here, and they assure me that the product is available in store. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and place the order as a first-time user on Taobao Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply go back now. Now, we want to make sure we add this product to cart before we proceed to payment. So first thing before, we have to make sure we click on here to add the product to cart. Now, it's going to open up like so. Here, you need to select the color and the sizes that you want. So right here, so I need this particular one right here. Then I have to make sure I scroll down right here and choose the available size. So here you have to select the one you want right here. So the more you click on each of the product link, you see the display from the top. Alright, so I need this one right here, as you can see right here. This is exactly one I want. Then having selected the products, next thing you need to do is to come down right here and choose the size. Then I need to come down below right here and choose size 42. Once you select the sizes and the color, click on here to add it to cart. After you successfully add the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to cart. Then you have the product right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the product. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and choose your means of payment. And in this tutorial, I'm paying with my Alipay. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to select my Alipay. Having selected my Alipay, I'm paying the sum of 241 yen to purchase this skate shoes. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to payment. So allow your Alipay to connect. Then enter your payment password right here. So payment done successful, just like what you see right here. So you can see payment done successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Then you have the proof of payment right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to go back. Then the product will no longer be in your cart again. Click on go back again, go back, go back. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to go to your profile. Then by the time you refresh your profile, the product you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's as simple as that. So here we have the product. So basically, this is how to simply place your first order in Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to subscribe. Consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.